Okay, this tapping is for the people who want to manifest their dream job but don't necessarily know what that is yet. So this tapping will help you get clear on the opportunities that are around you. And if you cannot do this tapping right now, favorite and save this video so you can do it later. Before we begin, rate on a scale of 1 to 10 how lost you feel about manifesting this dream job. 1 being I'm so lost, and 10 being I am so clear, I know exactly what my dream job is and I'm working towards it. So pick a number and leave it in the comments below, and we will revisit the scale again at the end of the tapping. Okay, so let's begin. I have no idea what my dream job is. I don't have all the answers right now. My future feels uncertain. I'm unsure of my potential and my path. Even though I'm feeling lost right now, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I don't have all the answers right now, I trust in my journey and I trust myself. I'm not sure what I want. Or maybe I do, but I just don't believe I can have it. That's okay. I recognize this uncertainty and doubt. And I give myself permission to explore. Uncertainty is just part of the journey. So I'm choosing to embrace the uncertainty, knowing that it's part of my path. There's also a part of me that is fearful and doubtful about finding my dream job. Today, I'm open to releasing these feelings, to make room for positive energy and trust to come in. I'm letting go of the fear of unknown, releasing doubts about my skills and my worth. I trust in my ability to find my path. I release these feelings to make room and space for clarity and confidence. I choose to trust the process. I'm being guided to my dream job. I'm opening myself up to all of the opportunities that are out there for me. I may have been closed off to them before, but not anymore. I trust that everything is falling into place. The universe has a plan for me. As I trust in the universe, I open myself up to the possibility that my dream job is on its way to me. I'm ready to embrace it, whatever it may be. And I'm excited about my future. All right, take a deep breath in and release. And now let's go back to that scale. Do you feel a little bit more clear and confident about finding your dream job? Did that number go up? Leave your number in the new comments below. Thank you so much for tapping with me. Follow for more, and I'll see you next time.